knowledgeable of that sort of thing. So yeah. Quantumplation says, in the past videos, you seem to dislike Microsoft substantially. What do you think of many of their new open source free initiatives announced recently? I guess what I would say is it's nice of them to release the compiler for free because it makes it easier to do this cast. I don't have to tell people to buy something that's $200. So that's good. I guess the reason that I dislike a lot of Microsoft things is not because they're expensive. I like programmers getting paid for their work. Like, I don't think there's anything great about free software in the free beer sense. I do like software freedom, and I think there's some cool things about that, but I think programmers should be paid. I mean, it's how I make a living. I want people to have to pay for software just like they pay for other things because it's the only way you can pay people to make it and to spend a lot of time on it. And so really the thing that I don't like about the most of the stuff that Microsoft does is it's low quality now. I used to like Microsoft a lot more because their stuff they shipped was high quality. I thought Windows NT 351 was a great operating system for its day. I really liked using it. I thought using Windows was a lot better than using Linux. Around like, even up through Windows XP even, I thought was a pretty good operating system, and it did a lot. It handled a lot of hardware, and it made programming on that hardware work well. But for the past, I want to say, decade or more, they've been shipping really lousy stuff. I mean, their operating systems are lousy now. I don't like them. They're buggy. They are very unreliable. They introduce things like side-by-side assemblies that make it impossible to ship code reliably. Not a day goes by that I don't try to run a game that someone sends me and it doesn't run on a machine because the VC vars 32 wasn't installed properly for the version of the compiler that they used to build it. And it's like, Microsoft has lost sight of what it means to ship a platform. They're in this shipping consumer products thing, and it's a disaster now. They don't ship a stable platform for developers anymore, and so that's why I'm disparaging of them a lot of times, is because the product is lousy now, and the product used to be much better. And so it makes me sad because I liked Windows. Windows was my home platform, and now Linux is my home platform. Most of my machines now run Linux, and my laptops run Linux. And because I feel like if I'm going to have something that isn't reliable like that, I might as well use an open source alternative, because that way I don't have to be entirely beholden to Microsoft when I do things.